Assalamu alaikum, it's Mohammed Hussein from Hussein's Foodie Don travel blogger as the Foodie Don. Today I'm doing this post because we are going to be going out and doing some foodie blogs. I've got a little video, the places we're going to go, and some places I'm going to mention haven't done a video or an induction video. So these are the videos are going to be shown on this video. We are going to do Toronto Crispy, Mount Street, Small Heath. We're going to do Duli, Kebab House, Mount Street, Small Heath, and we're going to do Spot Haven, Coventry Road, Small Heath. We're going to do Moja, Coventry Road, Small Heath. We're going to do Chai Mama, Small Heath, Coventry Road, and there's many more. I mean, what it is I am requesting, kindly requesting, please leave comments and please leave recommendations. You could recommend us to do travel and foodie blogs through our email address. It's on our channel. It's on our YouTube channel. And after watching this video, please do hit the like button and please do subscribe. And be honest with your comments, and that's all I can ask to everyone. I do have a female Bangladeshi presenter. If you want me to take her along, please do recommend us to these blogs, foodie blogs, travel blogs. Please do recommend us, and inshallah, I'll bring some more blogs, foodie blogs, travel blogs from Bangladesh very soon, next year inshallah. I mean, if you got any recommendations, if you want us to go somewhere in Bangladesh and do a travel and foodie blog, please do put it down in the email or put it down on the comment section and we will go and do it. In UK, if you want us to go outside Birmingham, we will go and travel and do foodie and travel blogs outside Birmingham, anywhere in UK or international destinations. Please do mention on our comment box or put it down on our email address, in an email. This is Mohammed Hussein, Foodie Don from Hussein Foodie Don travel blogger, signing off today. Please watch this small video. And inshallah, we go forward on your recommendations and do more travel and foodie blogs. Assalamu alaikum, take care, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.